Good morning, everyone. How you doing today? It is Sunday, and that means I need to look in this camera and tell you how I did for the week. I do believe goals are important. However, I do goals a little differently. I set goals every 13 weeks. I assess where I'm at every Sunday. I share actuals with you, and I do that just to show you what it takes. If you're going to make real estate investing, you're going to, go on this journey of financial independence. I challenge you to set weekly goals. Again, I've been doing this. There's a playlist you can go back and check. I don't know, lots of weeks, probably 50, 60 weeks there for you. So let me bring up the chart. Again, it's Sunday, so it's time for me to share exactly how we are doing. All right. So again, this is how I break it down. It really is my life. For me, it starts with health, and we were in week 9 of a 13-week period. So first and foremost, I haven't worked out in today will be day number 3. I injured my knee. I think I hurt it while I was doing burpees. So one of the workouts I did earlier in the week was how fast I could do 100 burpees. And let's just say as I got to the tail end of 100 burpees, I think I started banging my kneecap on the ground, and I think I bruised it. It is remarkably painful. It's hard to walk. It's even hard to sit. So I think I have a bruise is what it is. But, the good news is I think I did 100 burpees in 6 minutes and 37 seconds, which pretty fast. I did the first 50 in under 3 minutes. The next 50 were much slower. As far as eating or fasting, was a big part of the first 13-week challenge. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you can see I have tabs, and will continually do that. This health crisis, this stay-at-home thing is at this point crushing my soul. So I haven't been able to, or I have chosen not to fast. For me, it's the evening snacks that get me. As far as growing the brand, the impact of one rental at a time on social media, it was a decent week. We set a record, or at least I set a record for YouTube views, 60,000 views this week. So thank you. Do me a favor, if you like this goal presentation, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments. This is one that if you guys don't like it, I won't do it anymore. I find it valuable to share with you, but if you think these are annoying, tell me below. If it's annoying, I can stop doing them. But if you like hearing what's going on in someone's business, go ahead and hit subscribe, thumbs up, comments, greatly appreciated. YouTube subscribers, that had a nice week, 688. That's pretty cool. I was proud of that. And then as far as Instagram subscribers, we missed our goal. That was 48. We're looking for 50, so a near miss. Again, if you like daily original content, you can go ahead and subscribe to my Instagram page. It's just one rental at a time. As far as my business, I am looking to grow still. I'm trying to grow every year. Not a lot out there. I think this is a great time to learn your business. I think this is the perfect time to take my course and really get ready, because I think inventory is going to go up next year. You got to be ready. It's not the time to learn your market when inventory is rising. You better have done the work early. So if you're looking to get started and all of that, we'll talk about the course below, but that's really what's going on. I did evaluate one offer that was brought to me, but it's just too expensive. The wholesalers, the prices just aren't as cheap as they used to be. As for marketing, nothing new. I need to follow up and figure out where that first 1,200 went, see what's going on. Haven't increased cash flow. I'm still stuck in this loop of refinancing 2 commercial buildings. It's with a small bank in Fresno. I honestly thought it would be done in October, but we're not even, I bet we're still a month away. It's just so slow. But hopefully that finishes this year. That would be cool. We have 4 flips in escrow. Again, everything is slow these days, and haven't bought anything in a little while. Not spending any money. No, we're not going anywhere, frankly. Haven't done anything unique. I got to fix this one. This one bugs me. I got to find something to do. I just got to find something to do. And then as far as inspiring belief and hope and all of that, we did 41 videos, so a little bit less than the last 3 weeks. We did exceed the daily financial episodes. Again, one of the series I love on my channel is the daily financial news that we do at 7:30. That one had a peak of 923, almost to 1,000. I'm looking forward to the day one of those gets over 1,000. That will be cool. And then I did a video with Jonathan that got over 2,600 views. That was about where's the greatest opportunity for wealth or something like that. I was really impressed. Too many times crash or crisis videos get picked up. But you know what? This week, people wanted to talk about opportunity and wealth creation. So I was really encouraged by that. Um, oh, you know what? I was part of a podcast. I did a real estate meetup this week. I forgot almost. Yeah, I did one real estate meetup. So I changed that real time. Amazon book reviews. First off, thank you so much. We exceeded 300, which is pretty cool for a self-published guy. We're now at 305. We got 6 reviews last week. So thank you. Audible reviews, little disappointing. Do me a favor. If you've listened to my book on Audible, go ahead and leave a quick 5-star review. I would appreciate it. We only got 1 last week. Really need to step that up. And then as far as courses, I believe my courses are life-changing for many people. You have to be willing to work. I give you exercises like 10 to 20 minutes a day. But as you've seen on this channel, students are doing deals. I've read some emails back to you. I've actually had students on this channel telling you the story. So it's yeah, I can't tell you anything more. $200 can change your financial future and get you added to a Facebook group and mentoring sessions on Saturday. It's pretty cool. Didn't sell any of these hats. They come in 3 colors: gray, blue, and purple, of course. So, oh well. And then finally, I gave $1,000 away to Toys for Tots. I think it was 2 weeks ago. I did a video, I think, where the thumbnail was good karma. In that video, I talked about some personal stories. I talked about how Christmas is going to be disappointing for lots of families. So I went ahead and sent a $1,000 check to Toys for Tots. I actually sent it to my mother, who is the Toys for Tots representative in East Madera, so she can do what she needs to do for the program. But many of you gave donations. I added up all the donations that I saw, and it was about $950. I rounded that up to 1,000, so I matched all your donations. So again, that was important to me. Giving back, helping kids, a few kids hopefully have a better Christmas. That is important. Again, what are your goals? If you are ready to change your financial future and you think real estate investing is for you, you need to buy the course. Now's the time to do the work. We're heading into the winter. Do the work. You can do it online, 10 to 20 minutes a day. What are your excuses? You got the time. It doesn't take hours. And again, what are your goals, right? If you're taking the course, taking the 75-day hard challenge, what are you doing? All right, everybody, take care of yourself.